OverLap review. Welcome back to the channel Abhay Reviews. My name is Abhay, the host of the channel. I want to ask you guys, what if there is a software, an AI software that can automate sales funnels, landing pages, membership sites, business sites, course sites, digital product store sites? How amazing that would be, right? Well, today I have brought you this software called OverLap review. But before that, if you are new to this channel, my name is Abhay. I do reviews of upcoming softwares and courses every single day so that you can get the best deals on them. All the details of OTOs, upsales and discount are present in the description. Don't forget to check it out. Also, like this video and subscribe to this channel. So right now I'm at the sales page of OverLap review. It says never seen before Meta Lemma and Google Quantum AI powered app that creates automated sales funnels, membership sites, business websites, course websites, digital product store website, landing pages and much more. Here's the video you guys can watch. Now let's jump to some amazing features of OverLap AI. First to market AI tech that replaces 15 plus complicated and expensive funnel builders. Use AI to create stunning landing pages that converts random visitors into lifetime happy customers. Create mind-blowing sales funnels that converts leads into customer. Drive a constant flow of visitors for any offer in any niche in just 3 simple clicks. Get professional crafted templates to build website and landing pages. Get 10x more engagement on your offer or on your service. And there are a lot more features that you guys can see on the screen. OverLap AI is a low one-time offer of $17. If you want the discount, there is a discount coupon code that I have mentioned in the description, so don't forget to check that out. Also, they have a 30-day money back guarantee right here, so if this tool doesn't work for you, you can return it back to the developer, so it's totally risk-free. The more interesting part is, if you make the decision to purchase this game-changing product from the link in the description, you will not only gain access to OverLap AI but also receive additional exclusive bonuses worth thousands of dollars from my side as well. Now this is my bonus page. You guys can get all these bonus packages if you buy from the link in the description. Don't forget to check it out. Here are total 7 bonus packages and here are the steps how you can claim your bonus package. Don't miss out this amazing opportunity. Take action now and secure your future success with OverLap AI while enjoying my incredible bonuses. Getting back to the review, with OverLap AI, get all these benefits without using mind-boggling third-party apps, paying huge monthly subscriptions, hiring expensive freelancers, any steep learning curve, learning any complicated software, having any third-party dependency. You do not have to depend in any of these. OverLap AI will do everything for you. You guys might have seen a lot of ads. People are selling these funnels and making a lot of money. Here are some of the examples. People that are selling funnels online and making millions of dollars. Now here are 3 simple steps how you can use OverLap AI to make amazing automated landing pages, sales funnels and everything. Step 1 is grab your copy. You have to buy OverLap AI. Step 2 is activate the OverLap AI on your system, and step 2 is use and enjoy. If you want to watch the demo, there is a link in the description. Go check it out and see how OverLap AI works. World's top marketers, influencer and business gurus agrees that creating sales funnels using artificial intelligence has the power to grow any business 100x. Gary Vee uses sales funnels. Anik Singhal, Russell Brunson, Neil Patel, all of these people uses sales funnels, as you guys can use it too by buying OverLap AI. There are a lot more features to OverLap AI, so take the plunge and witness the remarkable impact it can have on your sales and leads. With OverLap AI, you will experience a revolution in customer engagement, taking your business to astonishing new heights. Check out the link in the description for OverLap AI and exclusive bonuses. And as always, thank you so much for checking out my OverLap review, and I'll see you in the next video.